I cannot believe it. I got banned for no reason. I have sad proof. See? All the grinding, all the pain and suffering for just getting banned. All my friends, all gone. I think I gotta restart as a noob. I hate to say that, but I really gotta restart. It's not my fault. It's just other players that don't like me and just report me for no reason. When I'm just grinding, a hacker steals all my kills. I'm not able to upload any more videos. I am very sorry. Thank you for my suffering.